I was hoping the new year would be a bit sunnier.
At least we have each other.
And your umbrella.
I'm sure the new year will be full of happiness and good health.
If I may, when it comes to healthy living, chimps are excellent role models. They have a very healthy diet full of fruits and plants.
Where do they live?
There are plenty living in the rainforest of Central Africa.
Rainforest? Are you bonkers? It's wet enough here.
If we're going to be in the rain anyway, the rainforest sounds like a cool place to visit for the new year. Let's go! Chimp! Apple! Leche! Mirasol! Team BaoBao, let's fly! Welcome to the rainforest.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And surprisingly warm.
Actually, although it rains almost every day here, the temperature is usually...
Nani?
Apple, watch out for the bananas!
Oh! Who did that?
Sorry, these bananas can be a handful. The name's Cheetah, but don't get confused. I'm a chimp, not a cat.
I don't think anyone could confuse you with a cat.
And we're Team BaoBao.
You're just in time for our big New Year's Day celebration. I'm busy collecting fruit for it now.
We'd be happy to lend a paw.
With our help, you'll be done in super speed.
It's raining fruit salad!
Thanks to you, Team BaoBao. This is going to be the best celebration ever.
It'll take all year to eat this.
We don't just eat it. I also use fruit to paint pictures.
Muy caliente! That's amazing.
I'm going to unveil my latest artwork at the celebration.
Oh dear, I should have brought my umbrella.
Here in the rainforest, we have our own way of staying dry.
The rainforest is the perfect home for the chimps. It has everything they need.
The rain's stopping. Time for the celebration.
Oh no! The rain has washed my paintings away. I worked so hard on it. Now I have nothing to show my family.
I have an idea. We can all help you to paint a new picture.
Wow, it's a masterpiece.
To thank you all for your warm welcome, please enjoy this special Team BaoBao light display. Ready, team? Ready!
There's only one thing to say after a display like that.
Where is the gelato?
Let's eat! As one final surprise, I'd like to unveil my latest artwork.
Wow, it's so good.
Nani, it's beautiful.
I couldn't have done it without Team BaoBao, and we still have plenty of fruit to eat.
No feast would be complete without Monto. Now that's a work of art.
That was a fruit-tastic adventure.
And so inspiring. Come on, let's paint. I think Monto may be better for eating. Come on, it's time to make New Year's resolutions together.
I want to be braver.
I want to learn even more about the world.
I want to help more friends. I want to eat even more gelato.
I want to keep working together to help those in need. Happy New Year, everyone!
For more information about the episode you watched and the charity BaoBao and BONKForPaws donated to, please scan the QR code or click the link below.